The USS Gridley, DD-92, was a Wickes-class destroyer serving in the United States Navy during World War I, named in honor of Charles Vernon Gridley. Launched on July 4, 1918, by the Union Iron Works in San Francisco, California, the ship was sponsored by Mrs. Frances P. Thomas, the daughter of Captain Gridley, and commissioned on March 8, 1919, with Commodore Frank Jack Fletcher taking command. After completing outfitting at the Mare Island Navy Yard, Gridley left San Diego on March 24, 1919, transited the Panama Canal, and joined the destroyer force for maneuvers in Cuban waters. The destroyer briefly underwent repairs at Norfolk, Virginia, before arriving in New York on April 26, 1919. Gridley's first significant task was assisting in the transatlantic seaplane flight, guiding the aircraft NC-4 with smoke and flare signals, eventually successfully landing in the dense fog at the Azores on May 17, 1919. Gridley also participated in the search for the downed NC-1 aircraft and acted as a guard ship on the last leg of NC-4's historic flight, completed in Plymouth, England on May 31, 1919. Following these endeavors, Gridley conducted goodwill visits and passenger transport in various Mediterranean ports and returned to New York on July 31, 1919. The ship subsequently operated out of several U.S. naval bases, including Portsmouth, New Hampshire, and was actively involved in training officers and personnel of the Naval Reserve Force. Gridley continued its training missions in Charleston, Newport, New York, and Philadelphia. On June 22, 1922, Gridley was decommissioned at the Philadelphia Navy Yard and remained inactive until its name was removed from the Navy list on January 25, 1937. The ship's hulk was eventually sold for scrapping on April 19, 1939, marking the end of its naval service. The USS Gridley's history reflects its role in supporting significant aviation milestones and training efforts during the early 20th century.